Craving for an authentic South Indian sambar dish? Okay, let's make it in minutes. You will need tomatoes, carrots, pumpkins, soya milk, chilies, onions, curry leaves. First, add oil to a frying pan and add 2 teaspoons of oil or ghee. Then add the onions, garlic and curry leaves. Then add tomatoes, long beans and green chilies. Then add all the other ingredients and let it cook tender. You can add drumstick moringa pods too. Don't forget to add salt, turmeric powder and chili powder. Cook everything together. Mix well everything together. And the dish is ready to be served hot. Enjoy!